Number one is a Facebook page that we're going to use to run, well, ads on Facebook. And number two is a Facebook ads account where we actually create our ads. Now, if you already have a Facebook page and an ads account on Facebook, you can skip this lecture and move on to the next one. If you don't, then follow along with me and we're gonna set both up. Let's go. So the first thing you need to do is log into your Facebook page. If you don't have one, which you should, then just create one. And once you are on your Facebook page, you're gonna move up to the upper right corner where there's a plus sign right here. Click there and then move down to where it says page. So this is where we create our Facebook page. The first thing we're gonna set up is our page name. Now we're gonna use an e-commerce for this, so we're gonna call it RNJ Deals. All right. Now this is very important because this is going to show when you're running your Facebook ads. You want to get this right. And then we have categories, and categories exist for when people search on Facebook for different Facebook pages. If you are in a specific category, you might show up. For purposes of running ads, it doesn't really matter, but we can still add in some categories that describes our business. Now, if you have a specific business, you might want to add that in, such as if you're a coach, you have a coaching business, write that in. If you have a bakery, then write in bakery, etc. For this, I'm just gonna add in e-commerce, even though you can add in 3 if you want. Then going down, we're also going to write a description. This also is not very important because it doesn't show when we run our ads. It just shows if you enter the Facebook page. So I'm going to write, find the best deals on unique products. Something like that. You probably want to make yours a little bit more catchy than that and describe your business. But for this purpose, I'm going to write that and be happy with it. Then we're going to click on create page. And so the page has been created. Now there are 2 more things we can add in, and that is a profile photo and a cover photo. Now, the profile photo is going to be the only one that's actually going to show when we're running our ads. So this is the only one that's really important to add in, right? The cover photo is just going to display if someone actually clicks on your Facebook page. So since I come prepared, I'm gonna set both up, but the only important one is the profile one, all right? So I'm gonna set up the profile photo. There we go. I'm gonna choose that one. And then it's set up. And then I'm also gonna choose a cover photo. And there we go. So now at least we have a decent looking Facebook page. Now, when we are running ads, the only thing that's going to show is going to be this profile picture and this name, RNJ Deals. So those are the 2 most important to get right. Okay, so if you don't have a profile picture, there are 2 different options that you can choose from. Number one, you can create your own on canva.com. I'm gonna add that in the resources. Number 2, and if you're a beginner, I strongly recommend this, just go to fiverr.com and then order a Facebook profile picture for your business on there. It's probably gonna cost you around $5. But if you're not a designer, if you don't have any picture at all to use, then go ahead and do that, because you want to look professional when you're running your ads. And the only 2 things that shows when you're running your ads is the profile picture and the name. So make sure you get those 2 right, okay? The cover photo is not important. So then I'm gonna go down and I'm gonna click on save. So now we have created our Facebook page very fast and easy, right?